Alright, this is how to quickly sum numbers in Excel mobile app. So here I'm using Excel mobile for iPhone. So I'll tap on Excel. As the Excel app opens, tap on the plus sign, which is the great button, and then prepare your data. But here I'm using data I have already prepared. So, and that's this first option here. So I'll tap on the first spreadsheet. Okay, now you can see what I have here. I have months and earnings. So I prepared a sample of earnings I made for 6 months in a particular year. All right, this is a sample, please. So I'm going to sum all the earnings using the fastest way without inserting it in a particular cell. So let's try the first approach. Tap on the cell where the number starts. And please don't add any special character or currency symbol at the front of any number when you are trying to sum, because you can see here earnings have the dollar symbol, meaning it's in dollar, but the rest of the numbers don't have any currency symbol. Okay, if you do otherwise you get a wrong answer. Once you tap on the first cell that contains the number and is selected, place your finger at the line at the bottom, all right, and then drag down to select the rest of the numbers. Okay, that is how to select values in Excel. So if you look at the bottom part, you can see sum is 3,430. That means the total sum of all the earnings I made for that first 6 months was $3,430. All right, so let's now talk about another approach of how to do this. First is to tap on the cell where you want to have the total summations. Okay, so I can tap here and say total. All right, so I'll type total so that it look professional. Now that I've typed total, I would like to make it bold, so I'll tap on any cell outside it. I'll tap on it again. Then the next step is to tap where I have that in the FS section. Okay, then I will tap on this keyboard sign. Then I will tap on the three lines. So you can see home is selected here, but the board is not responding, in the sense that it is kind of shadowed. So I'll tap on any cell, tap on the total again, and tap on bold. With this, the total is made bold. So now I want to have total here in this next cell, which is cell B9. Okay, so I'll close this interface. So once you tap on the cell where I want to have your value, all right, tap inside this place you have enter text or formula. I'll tap there. So on tapping there, tap on equal sign. So on the first set of keyboard keys of this keyboard, you see letters. So tap on the number indication. Okay, so when I tapped on the number indication, I see some numbers, but there's no equal sign again. So I will tap on this one that has hash plus equals. All right, so you can see I have equal sign here. So I will tap on equals. Once that equal sign is introduced, I have to start tapping on the numbers I want to sum and introduce plus in between each of them. Let's do that practically. So I'll tap on 300, which is cell B2. We got this B2 from column B and row 2. All right, that's why we got the name B2. That's how it is structured in Excel. Then I'll introduce plus sign again. So I'll tap on that plus sign. Then I'll tap on cell B3, which is 400 here. So I will introduce plus sign again, tap on 500, plus sign, tap on 800, plus sign, tap on 750, plus sign, tap on 680. All right, so these numbers are now added. The next step is to tap on the tick sign. So immediately we tap on the tick sign, you can see the number have been inserted. All right, so maybe you have a situation whereby you want to sum just two values in your Excel spreadsheet mobile. The first one is just to tap on the cell where you want to have your result. Okay, then I'll tap here. That is where I want to have my answer. In this case, it's in cell B12. It can be any cell at all. Okay, that does not contain any value. Okay, so once you tap on that cell, tap on where you have enter text or formula here. So I'll tap there. On tapping there, you can now start tapping on the side, or you can introduce the equal sign here. Equal sign. I'll tap on 1, 2, 3. Tap on where you can see the equal sign, then introduce equal sign. All right, so you can see how I did that. So let me sum January and June. All right, I'll tap on that cell B2, which is 300. Then I will introduce plus sign. I will tap on cell B7, which is June. Okay, that's 680. All right, then I will tap on this tick sign. Okay, and this gave me 980. That is the earning for January and June. Okay, so let's practice with another approach. Tap on the cell where you want to have your value first. That's the first approach. Then after that, tap where you have enter text or formula here. Okay, we tap there. Now let's use the approach of just inserting just values. So but first let's introduce our equal sign. I'll tap here, tap on where I will have my equal sign open. I will introduce the equal sign by tapping on it. You can see it has been introduced. Then let's say I want to just have value 800 plus value 750. That means April earning and May earning. All right, so I will type in 800. So use your keyboard and type in 800, then introduce the plus sign. Okay, you can see that I'll introduce it, and I will type in 750. So I'll tap on my keyboard here, tap on the number 750. Okay, you can see now we have now just inserted values. We didn't quote any cell here. Then the last step is to tap on the tick sign. And with this, we have the value here, which is $1,550. So these are the ways you can sum values, okay, in Excel mobile app. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing. Hit the like button that's on the video you're watching now, and see you some other time.